Actually, ma'am, there are 150 questions and 150 minutes. Ma'am, this time, first time they have introduced the pattern that after 50 minutes you cannot open the question 1 to 50. Like they have divided 3 sections.
Okay.
50 minutes for 50
Okay.
questions. It was like that, and every subsection was concentrated on some specific. Like I think the first part was women's and breast imaging, and I was like, "Gaya main to mujhe nahi aata, women's nahi aata, breast nahi aata." And then second part you get GIT, then third part was IR. So yeah, ma'am, like a mixture of those. So they have specific. So my take on it was, first I was scared कि यार क्या है, कोई और क्वेश्चन आ ही नहीं रहा, ब्रेस्ट है और वुमन इमेजिंग है, मैं क्या करूंगा यहाँ पे. But yeah, so if people are good at it, it is okay. Some next year maybe IR section will be first and someone would have no experience in IR, then also okay, keep your calm. ठीक है, और कोई सेक्शन आ जाएगा जो तुम्हें आता है.
बेसिकली सब पढ़ के जाना है, ये नहीं कि मुझे आईआर करना है तो सिर्फ आईआर पढ़ के गए हैं. यू नीड टू स्टडी एवरी सिस्टम एंड गो.
Yeah, ma'am. Like you need to know everything, but sometimes some like you are going to, you are afraid. Everyone in the residency will be like that कि ये चीज मुझे नहीं आती है और वही आ गया, तो that is going to be there. So yeah, you have to read everything extensively. And yeah, ma'am. So paper pattern was like that, and +4 -1, like the standard all exams that we have. My take about all this was that again, difference is in IR and physics. Physics is one thing which in our residency level or wherever we go, we just read for the exam purpose. End में पढ़ लिया, मतलब IMP question, important questions पढ़ लिए, final exam दे दिया. So I think there were about 13 questions of physics and around 18 to 20 questions of IR. And ma'am, so these two things I think would have made that difference. Because ma'am, all other thing I think everyone have some exposure. 80%, I think 70 to 80% everyone would be confident about. They were not out of the box questions, like very difficult questions. They had touched the basics only. I think there was one question on syndromes and I had left that. Pata hi nahi kaun sa syndrome hai. So you don't have to run after syndromes, obviously. Yeah. So ma'am, I think physics and IR, these two things were those things that you have to prepare differently, because these two things you will not get regular training in most of the centers in India.